people's on cell phones. Then once they see you out there, got a lane closed, they'll come in on the lane with you anyway because they're trying to get around you. They're not paying the signs and attention. They're not paying none of the continuous we have out there in attention. They all just in too big of a rush. They need to slow down.
When DOTD employees are out in the work zones, they not only have to think about their job, but they also have to think about each other's safety.
Man, it's rough because you got to look out for yourself and your fellow employee because you know he like to have his back turned and the car's coming at him. Sometimes you have to go over there and push him out of the way, all because this person not paying attention.
Drivers paying attention in work zones benefits everyone.
They just have to pay attention knowing that we out there in that road working, trying to make it safe for them.
What's the main messages you would have for people?
Take their time, look out, be safe, so everyone can go home safe, no one can get hurt, everyone get a chance to go back home to their loved ones.